reason.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl here, Lolita. If you're just tuning into my channel for the first time, thank you, welcome. I hope you've enjoyed yourself so far, and I hope you keep on enjoying yourself. So this is just a quick intro. Today I'm going to Lagos Arts and Crafts Market. I hope that's what it's called. I think so. Lagos Arts and Crafts Market anyway. And I'm going with a friend, Wems. Don't worry, subsequently I feel we're doing a lot together, so get to know about Wems more or better. Yeah, so I'm supposed to go and meet her up at CMS, and I'm still here. I'm sure in her mind like this, I've left the house since, but I hope Lagos traffic does not disappoint me. I had a lot to do this morning, so I'm on my way out now, and I decided to do this intro before it gets crazy on Lagos roads. I'll carry you guys along, show you guys, I really don't know how it's going to look like. It's my first time there. I'm really not going there to buy something in particular. It's my first time there. I want to do some window shopping, see at least what beauty the place is. We've heard so much about the place, so let me just visit there. This is the first time. Who knows, I can go back the next week. I'll be buying stuff. So I just thought to carry you guys along so that you enjoy it with me. And in the spirit of the Art and Crafts Day, I'm wearing a top that's like tie-dye. I'll show you guys like full outfits check in this video. I'm wearing a top that's like tie-dye in the spirit of Art and Crafts. Ta-da! Anyway, so if you want to see what I would be going, hey God, what am I saying? If you want to see how my day is going to go, if you want to see how everything about Art and Crafts Market and all the fun I'm going to have, please keep watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not. It goes a long way. Thank you so much. And like this video, share, drop your comments in the comment section below. If you're a YouTuber and you're actually taking your people out to see stuff, how is your intro like? For me, I think I have like cold feet when I'm about to do intro because I have so many things to see and I'm scared that I might not achieve all of them. But let me know what you think. And then if you're not a YouTuber and you would love better intros, or more explanation as to where I'm going for vlogs, still let me know in the comment section below. And if you don't have anything to tell me, you can also tell me, hi, this beautiful girl. Okay guys, I'll see you in the market. It's today I got to know your name was anymore.
Oh my goodness.
Apologies.
Why?
True color. I wasn't as well, but Wemimo is sweet though. Wemimo.
Okay, so it was True Color that said Wemimo.
It was True Color that showed your full name, and your full name had Wemimo as WEM. And I was like, what? Is that it? Lost. To take picture before?
Yes, 1,000.
1,000. But now dollar don't go up. So how dollar they take they affect the picture?
Now, before 1,000, dollar don't go up.
2,000.
2,000.
Wait,
So if
you are found customer today.
So if you take 3, I'll give you discount 1,000. You go pay 5,000.
For just the picture, Abi.
For
For picture. Everything to make. How much we go pay as we stand inside your shop like this? How much we go pay as we stand here like this?
Okay.
The wizard.
Before,
Before
7,000.
to stand for your shop, Abi.
Now, because New Year, Christmas, I don't do 3,000.
So guys, well, the ministry is moving. I've not been able to vlog much. Apparently they have some people here are allergic to the camera, so you find some people saying no, put up your camera. So vlogging hasn't been easy, even for Wems, because she's vlogging for her channel as well. So vlogging hasn't been easy. So just manage the clips that you see, please. No, manage. But the experience has been worthwhile. We are appreciating our African culture. I'm sure from the clips you've seen like very beautiful things that I didn't even know were there, like they exist. Some people are even selling stones, really, like stones that ordinarily if I should see them on the road I'd just be like, what's this? And I'd just be going, but they're actually like precious things. They're things that have worth, have value, and people are selling them and people are buying. I'll show you some of the stones. But yeah, so that's it for now. I don't know if I would end this vlog today. I don't know if I'll end it here, rather I might end it when I reach home. I'm not sure yet. I might end it when I get home. I'm not sure, but any which way, we'll see what happens.